Okay, now let's start this video by converting prefix to infix expression. Till now we have seen conversion from infix to prefix, infix to postfix. This is our prefix expression. We need to convert this into infix expression. First I'll do it directly and then we will do it using the stack method. So to do it directly, we need to scan from right to left. We need to scan from right to left till we have or till we encounter an operator, right? Till we encounter an operator. Once you encounter an operator here, once you encounter an operator, so we have encountered plus as we are scanning from right to left, so here the operand right after the operator would be operand 1, and this would be and the next operand would be operand 2. So this will be operand 1, operand 2. We know that once we have operand 1 and operand 2, for infix we put the operator in between operand 1 and operand 2. So this will be a plus b. This would be a plus b, right? So yeah, so we are evaluating this expression here. So I'll say here star, I'll say here a plus b, and then what is left is c. What is left is c, correct? So so one more time, we need to evaluate from right to left till we encounter an operator. Once we encounter an operator, we stop there. The operand next to the operator, that is a here, will be operand 1. This will be operand 1 and the next operand will be operand 2, and we place the operator between operand 1 and operand 2, and we put a bracket here, and then we write the rest of the operands as it is. Again we scan from right to left. Now till again we scan from right to left till we encounter a operator. Once we encounter an operator, we stop there. The first expression, sub expression would be operand 1. So plus has already been resolved. Therefore this whole thing would be basically operand 1, and this c would be operand 2, and we place star between a plus b and c. So this is a plus b is operand 1 and c is operand 2. So we place here star, right? I say here a plus b star c, and this is our infix expression for this prefix expression, correct? Now let us do it using stack. For stack, what do I do it? I'll just draw an empty stack again here. Okay, before that I will write this expression again, and I will draw an empty stack here. Empty stack. For stack, you need to push each and every operand into the stack till you encounter an operator. Again, we need to push each and every operand. No, so I'm not saying an operator. So we don't push operators into the stack. We push only operands into the stack till we encounter an operator. So here I'll push C first, then I will push B here, then I will push A, and I will stop because now we have an operator called plus. The top of the stack is A, the next element is B. So after this, after pushing all the operands into the stack till we have encountered an operator, we pop the top of the stack, right? I will write here, we pop the top of the stack. So the top of the stack will be operand 1, and the next operand below or the operand below the top of the stack will be operand 2, and whatever operator we have, right, we put it in between. So we pop A, we pop B. Therefore here I will draw a stack which will now only contain C because I have popped A and B, right? I have popped A and B. So I have popped A and B, and I will evaluate this again. We push this again into the top of the stack. So here after popping and after evaluating, we push this back again into the top of the stack. Here we have popped A and B, we evaluated, and we are pushing A plus B back again to the top of the stack. Right? Now what is left after plus? After plus only star is left, right? Star. Therefore again we pop A plus B and C, right? So we pop A plus B and C, where A plus B is operand 1 and C is operand 2, and now because we have popped both of them, our stack is empty. right? And we have star here, right? So a plus b would be operand 1, c would be operand 2, and star would be our operator, right? So I'll put star here, star. So now we have an expression here. We'll push it back into the stack here. So here a plus b star c. Now we have nothing to evaluate to the left, right? We are moving from right to left, so we have nothing to evaluate to the left. Therefore we'll stop here, and whatever is left in the stack would be our answer. So what is the answer? A plus b star c, which actually is the same as that of this answer we have got using the direct method, or which we have done using directly, right? This is one example of converting from prefix to infix. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.